welcome to the final Lucky Fan Signing Event! Grabe guys, you made it to the 16th Lucky Fan Signing Event. Thank you guys so much for completing the day tour with us. Of course, we had so much fun meeting all of our Filipino anchors here and all of the anchors na pumunta sa aming fan signing events. Thank you so much. Again, I am Vinci. I'm the leader of Horizon.
Thank you, Vinci. Jeremy.
Hello, Dasmariñas!
Thank you guys for giving all your efforts to come into our fan signing event, and sobrang na-appreciate po talaga namin lahat ng hard work and mga effort na ginagawa niyo para lang po makapunta sa mga fan signing events namin. And I'm Jeremy of Horizon. I'm the performance here and the main dancer. Love you guys!
And of course, make some noise for Marcus!
What's up, Dasmariñas? Hey, this is the last one, but it might actually be the best one yet, guys. I can't lie. This is unbelievable, you guys. What time is it right now? The mall is closed, but I love you guys' energy. So, just this once, guys. Let's sacrifice some sleep, and let's have some fun tonight.
There you have it.
My name is Marcus. I'm the youngest member, and I'm also a vocalist. I love you guys.
Wow, and now let's have Kyler.
Hello, SMC ni Dasmariñas. Let's go!
Ano, kamusta kayo? Kaya ba? Unang-una sa lahat, gusto kong pasalamatan ng buong puso ko yung mga anchors na pumunta dito at walang sawa na sumusuporta sa amin. And we love you so much, guys. Sana magkita pa tayo ulit. And I'm Kyler of Horizon, and I'm also a vocalist. Yeah. Thank you, Kyler. Now, let's make some noise for Raystar!
Hello, SM Dasmariñas! Thank you po sa lahat ng suporta niyo mga anchors at lahat ng mga taong pumunta dito ngayon. Sobrang na-overwhelm po kami. Maraming salamat po. I'm Raystar of Horizon and the main rapper of the group.
And now let's have Winston! Oh, gosh!
What's up guys? Thank you so much for coming here sa last fan signing event namin dito sa Dasmariñas. Thank you guys, and by the way, I'm Winston of Horizon and I'm one of the vocalists. Annyeong!
And syempre, we have Kim!
Horizon Dasmariñas!
Thank you so much po sa mga efforts niyo po. And siguro ito na yung best history sa buong buhay ko na grabe yung mga efforts niyo. And yung pag-love niyo na binigay sa amin kasi since day 1 pa lang ng April, andyan na kayo. Lagi ko kayong nakikita and lagi po kayo nasa puso ko. And I love you, anchors. Super, I love you. By the way, my name is Kim of Horizon. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kim. Well, it's very evident that you really guys made the anchors happy tonight. There you have it. So, syempre, we would like to know, diba? So, since this is your last stop na in the Philippines, and how does it feel that the anchors really showed their love for you? Can we ask you, Vinci?
Grabe, it's so overwhelming because it was just supposed to be half of what happened now. And because of all of the love and constant support of all of our anchors, syempre nagawa natin i-extend until the end of April. So thank you guys so much for supporting the Lucky Horizon fan signing event. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you, Vinci. How about you, Marcos?
Words cannot express the gratitude that I'm feeling right now. We cannot thank you guys enough for the love and support that you guys have given us throughout this whole fan signing event series that we have. And guys, let me just remind you, this may be the last fan signing event, but there will be more for Horizon in the future. So, yeah, just wait for us. We'll be back for sure.
Thank you, Marcus, and I'm sure that the anchors are so excited to know your upcoming projects. So what are we going to expect, of course, in the coming months? Maybe you can share with us some of your upcoming projects. Can we ask Winston?
Hi po, so now we're currently promoting po yung Lucky namin. Our first album, which is Lucky, and kasama po yun sa Dinner Series, so please look forward to it. And of course, watch niyo po yung music video namin na Lucky. Thank you so much!
And syempre, aside sa Lucky na talaga naman trending, Kim, ano ba bang dapat natin pakaabangan sa Horizon?
Marami po silang aabangan sa amin kasi depende dahil sa suporta nila po and marami po kaming asahan na magaganap and sana po makita ko po kayo everyday po.
Thank you so much, Kim. Sounds exciting. I'm sure you guys are all excited. But of course, once again, let's give a big hand for Horizon.
Let's go!
And now, do you want them to go back to performances? You can do better than that, louder. Gusto niyo ba ulit makita silang mag-perform? Alright!
Let's go!
So there you have it. Once again, let's give it up for Horizon!
Before we start, let me ask you, pang ilang mall na to? Walang uuwi! Pang ilang mall na to?
Suotin mo yung cap. Yung cap!